and the back goes like that.
That first one is always the bad one.
All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put my salmon directly in here. Whew. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another What I Eat in a Day plus train. Today I'm taking a HIIT cardio class and the class is at 9:45. So it's about like 9:10, maybe 9:15 right now. And I'm already dressed. I'm just fixing up my hair. And it's definitely going up in a ponytail today because this class, there's a lot of bouncing, there's a lot of sweating. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of my way. But yeah, we're back and I'm doing another What I Eat in a Day, showing you everything that I consumed today. Water, drinks, pre-workouts, food, snacks, all that. So I'm super excited. You guys loved the last one. It got quite a lot of views and engagement. So I'm really happy you guys enjoyed it. So I was like, let me make sure I keep this a thing and, you know, keep them coming for you guys. So I'm just gonna do my hair like this because, again, it's about to be a hot mess in a minute. And the class that I'm doing today is this HIIT cardio class. I love it so much. I actually haven't done it since last year. I mean, it's February, so it's just been a few months since I did it. And you guys know I leaned out a lot and I was really liking how I looked. So I was like, let me just chill on it right now. And randomly, I got really like pumped to do my own upper body exercises. Usually upper body days are kind of like boring, besides back, not back. But like biceps and shoulders and abs, it's usually by myself. Like the workouts are effective and gets results, but I'm not as excited like when I do legs and, you know, back and glutes. But when I got back from Nigeria earlier this year, they were like so fun. And then I've kind of plateaued with that fun energy, and my last few like shoulder workouts, ab workouts have been like, I'm forcing myself to do it. So I said, okay, this is when you need to get back into your HIIT cardio class because, you know, always switch up the routine. If you're ever working out a certain way, or say you always go during the week and you never do weekends, switch it up and add a weekend day and get a rest day in the middle of the week. Or if you're always doing weightlifting and never did like a class, because there are weightlifting classes. There's classes that uses dumbbells and barbells and stuff. That's the one that I'm going to today. Okay, so this is the fit. I'm wearing Honor Active leggings. These are actually in the medium. And I have my shirt like this, but I'm actually just gonna undo it. And what is this? This is a Gymshark sports bra. I believe this is the Fleck collection. And the back goes like that. And then I just have on, I don't know where I got this from, maybe Target, I don't know, but just like an oversized comfy tee, because yeah, this is all we're doing today for the workout. First things first, you guys know I do not eat before my workouts. Usually all my workouts are in the morning, so I do not eat before my morning workout and then immediately after I work out. But what I do is consume my Pride Pre, honey. What was that? My Pride Pre is what I will usually have. And I'm out of glasses. They're in my dishwasher. Take that. Okay, now I need to hurry up because class starts in less than 20 minutes and I still haven't left my house. So I like to take a nice hefty scoop. This is Pride Pre-Workout. It is the best pre-workout that I've taken, and I've been working out for over 7 years. And of course I have to pair it with my Eternal water. Gotta have this on deck. And today, ooh, I have not done this in months, you guys. I'm so nervous.
I went to my purse and I'm like, where's my phone? So thank goodness I have a backup.
No, I did say those.
Yep. You are correct. That first one is always the bad one.
Yeah.
Lots more?
Freak, are you kidding me? Freak, are you kidding me?
Teenagers. Woo! Oh, I know. And this one, you'll think he's smart.
I survived. It was such a good class. I actually wasn't too rusty. I was rusty, but not as rusty as I thought I would be. The upper body, ooh. I was tapping out so many times, like towards, oh my God. And I feel like I included a lot of exercises, like a lot of moves that she had us do. But there is so much more that we did because the way that her class is, it's 45 minutes and it's HIIT cardio full body, right? You only do one move 2 times. It's not 3 times. It's not 4 times. You only do one move. So all the moves I showed you, one of them, we only repeat it twice and then we move on to the next one for 45 minutes. So we just do so many moves. And like when you think you're done, like, okay, she's definitely about to say after this one, we're done, right? Nope, still going. You barely rest. Your rest is taking a sip of water and then getting back to it. There is no, but it's so good, you guys. I love HIIT cardio. I'm happy to be back in the routine. I mean, you can either do it yourself or you could do a class. So I just grabbed me a shake. The shake has peanut butter, bananas, whey chocolate, protein, and a green powder. It's like the Jim's green powder. And it's originally a plant-based shake, but I switch it out for whey. I can't get down yet with the grainy, at least not theirs. I can't get down with it. So I just always substitute the plant for the whey chocolate protein and keep the rest of the ingredients the same. So I'm going to drink on that. It is 11 o'clock. And then probably 12:30, I'm going to get hungry. And that's when I'm going to have my, breakfast. My first, solid meal. Okay, so I just made my, I don't even know what to call it, as brunch. It is at 12:45 and I did 3 organic eggs and I did 1 chicken sausage link. I didn't get my toast. I went grocery shopping yesterday, but the toast that I really like is only at Whole Foods, and I completely forgot. I had said today when I leave the gym, I was gonna stop by Whole Foods and grab it and then have a slice of toast with it. But I forgot, and again, this is realistic. So I ain't got no toast. So I would have added some toast with this, but I don't have it. So I'm gonna eat this and just leave it at that. And then I have my water right here with me, of course, Eternal Water, hello. And then probably in a little bit, if I get a little hungry, I'll have a snack, a little snacky snack. Let me show you. This Target brand is probably better. These right here, these are addictive. Okay, so it is a couple hours later and I'm just about to have me some lunch. It is 4:20 right now and I'm gonna be leaving here in about another 45 minutes to go to school pickups. So I wanna get me a nice little luncheon and I'm just gonna have a chicken Caesar salad. These are from Publix, pre-made. The chicken is delicious and even the croutons are so good. So this is my choice of lunch for today. pour the Caesar over. Now I'm gonna put it back in here and give it a really nice shake. So I always try to make sure I have a nice amount of protein in all my meals. And yeah, this is so good, so easy and quick to just prepare. Literally took what, 60 seconds? And this is my lunch. Amazing. All right, so we are back and I am about to make dinner. Dinner's gonna be super easy. We have salmon on the menu and we're gonna be doing salmon bites in the air fryer. Super quick, easy. I already washed my salmon, so, oh, I'm spilling water on me. I already washed my salmon, so now I'm just gonna pat it dry, dice it up into little small pieces, and then we're going to season it. So, let me see, I need a napkin. So I'm just gonna pat these dry. Then you're just gonna take a knife, whatever knife you have, and we're gonna cut these up into cubes. I think like that. I think that's good. Pretty much gonna cut them into bite sizes, and this has been a trend on socials, and honestly, I really like it. It's a nice little switch, and each bite is super flavorful. And my salmon always has no skin on it. I cannot do the skin on salmon. If you can keep it on, but I definitely prefer without. I feel like with the skin on, I don't know why, it just gives it a fishier taste, and I don't like that. So first I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of olive oil. This is the one that I typically use. I just grab it from Publix. Going with a little bit. And then I'm gonna take my Cajun seasoning. Do a nice little heavy hand. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of onion powder. Then just take a utensil like this and then get to mixing it up. And because I am me, I'm probably gonna do just a dab extra of seasoning. Okay. Do it until it feels right. So I just put a cup of jasmine rice in the pot and put it on 15 minutes. This is the brand of jasmine rice that I use. I get mine from Publix. It is a Thai jasmine rice. And I do it just how it says, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of rice, put it on for 15 minutes. And yeah, now that that's on, we can go ahead and add our salmon into the air fryer. So this air fryer I was gifted from Khadijah, my girl. She gifted this for me when I moved here over a year ago as a housewarming gift because I've always wanted an air fryer and I just never got one. This one is the Crux, I don't know. I know she got off Amazon though. And we're going to put our salmon in here. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put my salmon directly in here. One thing I love about air fryers, they're really easy to clean, and you know, these are oiled down, so it shouldn't be too messy. But I'm gonna spread them out so that they're all even on the bottom. And then I just have them all even down there. Ooh, they're sliding around. So now I'm just gonna pop this in here. I'm gonna put this to 400 degrees, and we're gonna do 12 minutes, 12 to 15 minutes, but I don't like my salmon overcooked, so I'm gonna do 12 minutes and push start. They just finished. Ooh, they look so yummy. Nice and crispy like I like. 12 minutes was perfect. And the rice is done as well. Ooh. Fresh pot of rice. Ooh, it's my favorite. All right, so I did it again, and I'm out of veggies. I don't keep many veggies in my fridge because I'm always running out or they go bad. And yesterday I made air fried wings and I made rice and I made broccoli and we ate it plus seconds. So I'm out of veggies. So I just plated, well, put in my bowl, my salmon bites and my rice. And this is about the portion that I'm gonna do. I'm definitely making sure not to do too much rice. Just a nice little size. Don't go crazy. And then I just always, if I'm out of veggies, I just pair it with Oxy Greens. So today's flavor, I'm doing forest berries. I'm doing forest berries. And then I have my drink right here. And yeah, that is a full what I ate in a day today plus what I trained. Whew, it's so good. And I fill it up with ice, so it's like super ice cold. Every time I get this, I like gulp it. It's not like a sip. So I'm gonna eat before my food gets cold, and me and my baby finna eat together, sit at the table, you know, and bond. She is ready to eat. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment your thoughts or recommendations or what you would like to see next, and I will definitely have more of these coming out.